welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Natasha coming back with another video. First video of the year, first hair video of the year. I already posted on my vlog channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, you guys can if you want to. Alright, the link will be in my description. But it's the first hair video of the year, and I wanted to stand out as per usual. So today I'm coming back with a lazy girl hack. Yes, honey. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I see all y'all and I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're one of my day ones, baby, welcome back. So yeah, in today's video, I am going to be sharing how I got this bad girl. No, it's not about the boys. It's a girl. But yeah, I am going to show you guys how I got this braided mohawk. It's my braided messy mohawk. And like I said, I want to come back with a bang because it's 2021 and your girl is, whoo. I'm like, yes, I am trying to make 2021 the year that I am fully consistent on here. That's a whole different story. We'll have a whole conversation with that. But like I said, look at this. Okay, guys, I know it's not perfect, but it still looks nice. Okay, so bear with me. Look at this. Like, honey, this is like, yes, baby. I look so good. Like, it kind of differ from how I envisioned it, but this is close enough. I'm not lying there. It look good. It look good. Okay. But yeah, let me know. Comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about this look. Like I said, it's another lazy girl hack. My messy braided mohawk on taper cut. So if you want to see how a sister got this done, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the Spectra pre-stretch braid. This is the 3-pack in T1B350, and I am just over here playing around with it and just getting the necessary stuff off so I can start braiding. It took a few tries to get it how big or how voluptuous I wanted it, but it just takes a little playing around with, and like I said, I wanted it messy, so I didn't really do nothing extravagant to it, just trying to get a quick little hairdo. So just keep watching to see how it turns out. This is it so far. I want it to be messy, so yeah. Okay, as I put the mohawk together, I thought it was a bit short. It was cute, but it was short, so I actually just redid it and started from scratch. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, honey. I see all the love. Even when I'm not posting, you guys are still showing me endless love, and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. You guys don't understand. Me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you. Tankuno, 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 tankuno. And of course, smash that subscribe button, because your girl see y'all coming through, and I would like to welcome some new people to the fam. So yeah, and don't forget to turn your post notification on so you guys can get notified whenever I post a video, because your girl is making 2020 the year of her YouTube. So let's just put it out there in the world. Me, I do this. Me, I do this. Like, I'm doing this. That's what I meant. I'm doing this. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.